Today, I'll teach you how to animate punch combos, but first, let's go over some stuff. You see, using the app flipaclip to animate a punch combo is quite easy, but it can get messy when you don't animate it right, so I'll tell you what to do. Open up your app, start a new project, and select 20 for frames per second. Click on Create Project, and let's start animating. On a blank canvas, we start with the stickman keyframes, essentially the important poses in the animation. After the keyframes are done, next we add in-betweens. These are additional frames that go between keyframes. Hey there! Did you know with less than $1, you could become a channel member and have access to amazing member perks, which include member badges on comments, regular shoutouts, priority reply to your comment, and best of all, the ability to make me create every tutorial of your choice. After in-betweens, let's add heads. We're almost done. Just one last thing. Copy and paste frames to adjust timing. And with that, we're done. Here's a couple of things to remember when you want to make your punch combo animation. Animate keyframes first, add in-betweens later, and copy and paste some frames to adjust timing.